Okay, so next thing we're going to do is I'm going to tell you a little bit about empanada shells because I know sometimes they are different things depending on where you are from. And really an empanada is really just a turnover. And there's different ones, like I said, from Spain, from Mexico, Argentina, all different ones. So consequently, there's several different things you can use as empanada shells. And I just have a few here to show you. Today we're going to use puff pastry sheets for ours. These are a really kind of good one. It goes well for sweet empanadas, and it also goes well for savory empanadas. And also, this is probably one of the easier products to find in your grocery store. Usually find this in your freezer section, and you're going to thaw it out before you use it, as you'll see in a few minutes here. And this is one that you can find. These are empanada shells already made, and if you look at the back here, you can see they're already cut out and they're separated with paper. And so it's really easy to use. It's going to give you a different kind of empanada, so keep that in mind whenever you use these. This particular brand also makes another kind that makes empanadas that are really good for frying. So the dough is specifically made for frying. So I would recommend, if there's a Mexican or a Spanish market in your area, go ahead and check them out, see if they've got any. If they don't, feel free to use puff pastry sheets because those are also very common.